Hi, my name is Tahila, and I'm going to read this book called The Nice Dream Truck by Beth Ferry and Bridget Barriger. When bedtime is near and teeth are all brushed and the house is asleep and the noises are hushed, you might hear a tune. You might be in luck. You might get a visit from the Nice Dream Truck. The truck is a wonder. It floats and it flies, steered by a girl with stars in her eyes, who's ready to help you get ready for bed by serving up dreams to dream in your head. The choices are endless. The toppings? Worth trying. They're silly and funny and so satisfying. With dreams about treasure and dreams about winning, dreams about magic and pirouette spinning. Dreams about summer and dreams about snow. Dreams about puppies wherever you go. Sample some princess. Try super speed. Or be the great hero who helps those in need. Dream about flying. Dream about whales. Dream about dragons with jelly bean scales. Scoop up some moonbeams. Try astronaut. Or the triple dip cone that's called making the shot. Dreams about narwhals who draw on the ice, or years where your birthday comes not once, but twice. And if you like dreams a tiny bit scary, dream of sea monsters, hefty and hairy. Sample some drummer, taste some guitar. There are dreams that are big and dreams that are small, and dreams where the kids are in charge of it all. Dreams that surprise and dreams that delight, and dreams so supreme you'll choose them each night. So pile your dish with scoops to the sky, or choose just the one you've been longing to try. There's all kinds of dreams for all kinds of kids. Try something new. You'll be glad you did. So scoop out your choices, make up your mind, hold out your bowl, and get ready to find a dish full of dreams that was scooped just for you by this magical pair who makes dreams come true. Now hop into bed and snuggle down deep. You've got your nice dream. Good night. Time to sleep. The end.